Hindi ko deserve to. Pero malay natin, deserve ko to next week or next month, so in advance ko na. Feeling ko kasi may magagawa akong mabuti next week. Kaya ito na yung reward ko. So don't judge. So if ever man na may magawa akong mabuti next week or next month, ito na yung reward ko. Hindi na ako bibili. 'Di ba? So kung may gusto man kayong bilhin, bilhin nyo na para hindi nyo na iniisip. Ito na siya!
Happy Valentine's Day. Sana palagi mong iingatan yung sarili mo kahit hindi ka namin palaging nakakamusta. Know that we always think about you. I always think about you. And I love you very much. Happy birthday!
Mag-impake ka na, ayan na yung toothbrush mo.
Balot, balot, balot.